Hi everyone, my name is Vikas. I am an investment banker. So I hold over 12 years of experience working in the investment banking and financial modeling. So today I'm making this short video for all of those who are looking to build their career in the field of investment banking and financial modeling. So this video will also be relevant for those who are looking to switch their profiles into investment banking and financial modeling and are currently working in the other fields. Okay. So in this short video, I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Then I will talk about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling or investment banking job opportunity. And then I will take you through the entire interview process. And at last, so I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameter. Okay. So now I'm quickly jumping on the point number one, where I will talk about what are the skill set which is required to become a financial modeling expert. Okay, so the first thing that you will be requiring is the conceptual knowledge. So you should have a good knowledge of basics of finance, accounting, and time value of money. Then you should be able to understand P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow, how the financial statements are basically interlinked with each other. Okay, so then you should have a basics to advanced Excel proficiency. Then you should know like how to work on different types of model like the DCF, LBO, and merger and acquisition model. So then you should also be well versed with like how a business basically generates revenue from its different kind of revenue streams. Okay, so what are the different kind of costs which are associated with the business? So then only you'll be able to do the forecasting for a company. Okay, then the financial modeling is not just about basically preparing a Excel model and just doing something with the numbers. Okay, so how you are basically presenting your data with the have of dashboard charts and storytelling, so that also really matters a lot. Okay, so data presentation is also one of the skills that the investment bank firm or any recruitment firm basically looks into you. Okay, so now I will be talking about what are the prerequisites for any financial modeling jobs opportunity. Okay, so the first thing that they will be looking in you is what is your academic background, what kind of college or university that you are coming from. Okay, along with that, so they will also be checking your how much you have scored in these post graduation and the graduation degrees, like the percentile, percentage, or grade, whatever is the case. So then along with that, so they will also be checking what kind of skill set that you have. Do you have the basic to advanced Excel skills? Then do you understand the financial statements very well, like the financial analysis skills if you have? Then problem solving skills. So if you clear on both of these parameters, so then you'll be moving towards the interview process. So then only your resume or CV will be selected for the interview process. Okay, so let's assume so you clear on both of these parameters, so and you have been selected for the interview process. In the first round, you'll be going through a case study wherein they will ask you to basically work on industry overview, financial model, or Excel test. Okay, so in case you clear the case study round, so then you'll be moving towards the technical round. So in the technical round, so they will be checking you on the how much you understand about the finance basics, like the accounting ratio related questions and answer can be asked. Then in so they can also ask you a few questions related to the investment banking, such as WAC, beta, DCF, terminal value, EBITDA, LTM, enterprise value, and equity value, etc. Okay, so then once you clear the case study and the technical round, so then you will be moving towards the HR round. So in the HR rounds, they will check your attitude and your behavioral aspects, and along with that, so they will also be checking your soft skills, like how do you basically communicate with the HR, and so your communication skills will be assessed. Okay, so in case you clear all of these three rounds, so then you'll be selected for any investment banking or financial modeling opportunity. Okay, so this is the entire interview process that I've just took you through. Okay, so now I will review a financial modeling course based on certain parameters. Okay, so now I'm going to review a financial modeling course offered by Indian Institute of Management, Indore. Okay, so the course name is Postgraduate Certificate Program in Investment Banking. Okay, so if I talk about the program overview, so the objective of this course is to basically provide a comprehensive foundation in finance, accounting, economics, and quantitative analysis tailored for the investment banking sector, that delve into advanced valuation techniques, financial modeling, and investment strategies, ensuring a mastery of the craft to foster an understanding of the evolving facets of investment banking, from fintech innovation to global market integration. to develop strategic thinking and problem solving skills through hand-on projects, case studies, and real world scenarios. Okay. So if we talk about the duration of this course, so duration of this course is going to be 12 months. So total number of hours of this program will be 150 hours. So number of sessions will be like 75 minutes each sessions, which will be spread across like 120 sessions. Okay. So then USP of this course will be a cutting edge curriculum that blends essential finance education with the latest trend and technologies, then practical hands-on experience that bridge theory with real world application, direct connect with industry expert to get a real world view of the field's practical details, a focus on emerging tools and technologies, preparing participants for the digital future of investment banking. So talking about the program content or the curriculum, so there are going to be a module on the investment banking essentials, financial analysis and equity valuation, advanced financial modeling. Okay. So specialized module will be focused on the merger and acquisition, capital market and securities, regulatory and ethical consideration. So then along with that, so you'll also be learning the innovation and trends in the investment banking and financial modeling, like the fintech and digital transformation, global market dynamics, risk management and compliance. Okay. So along with that, so you'll also be working on real world case studies and simulations, interactive workshop with investment banker from around the world, and you will also be working on certain capstone projects. Okay. So this is basically about this particular course. So if you talk about the fee of this course, so fee of this course will be 2,83,200 rupees. Okay. So if we talk about if they are covering any internship part in this, so they have not specifically talked about the internship plans. Okay, no, even they have not talked about the placement support as well in this course. Okay, so these are the details related to this particular course. Okay, so basis these details, I am going to review this course based on certain parameters which are basically listed on the left of this table. Okay. So if we talk about the course depth, so this is going to be a very good course. So Excel skills that you will be learning in this, live sessions will be there, live doubt sessions will be there, internship support. So they have not mentioned placement support is again not available in this course. So course fee will be on the very higher side. Okay. So then talking about the course duration, so this is going to be a very uh, good course. So then talking about money back guarantee, so they have not talked about LMS access is something that will be available for you. Okay. So based on these parameters, so this course has scored 6 out of 10. So in case you are really serious about basically building your career in the field of financial modeling or investment banking, so I can suggest a better financial modeling and investment banking course which comes with a complete package which covers all the aspects that you expect from any financial modeling or investment banking course. So I'm going to share the details related to that course in the description box. Please check that out in case you need any kind of further assistance from my end. So feel free to ping in the comment section. I will revert to you as soon as possible. I hope you will like this video and thanks for watching the video.